there's a super important gland right underneath our sternum. It's called the thymus. It's a key component of our immune system. It creates what are called T helper cells that are our first line of defense against bacteria and other pathogens that would compromise our immune system. When it's healthy, we have a sense of buoyant optimism and well-being. Here's a great exercise for super immunity that will boost your thymus in under 1 minute. It also works on strengthening our heart muscle and opening our heart chakra so we can live in love. Left hand faces away from you, right hand faces, hook your fingers. Your hands are at sternum level. Inhale, raise your left elbow up as the right lowers, and exhale, do the opposite. Breathe and move powerfully. Propeller exercise. Inhale, center, pull your fingers moderately, and relax. Sit or stand still for a moment. Feel vibrant, feel energized. Good work, everyone.